Start by pumping up a 260 yellow balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist. Next, make an 8 centimeter bubble. And then a pinch twist. Now we're going to make another 8 centimeter bubble and tie this one back to the first pinch twist. Now we're going to make our third 8 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the other pinch twist. So now we have the head and the back and the body of Pikachu. Next, we're going to make two 4 centimeter bubbles for the feet. So we're going to make the bubbles and then tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side. This makes the feet. As you can see, feel free to adjust it so it's more inside the body. And now we're going to make three 3 centimeter bubbles. And then we're going to tie it back to the other pinch twist on the other side. This makes the head of Pikachu. That's where we're going to attach his ears. So now you can pop off the rest of the balloon, but make sure to save the air in the balloon. We're going to use this to make a 16 centimeter bubble. Tie a knot in the piece of balloon that you cut off. Soften up the balloon a bit. Now feel free to tie another knot and hide the knot on the body of Pikachu from where you just cut off the balloon. Now using those three 3 centimeter bubbles, we're going to grab the middle one and turn it into a pinch twist. Now we're going to turn that 16 centimeter bubble into two 8 centimeter bubbles. And then we're going to attach that to the pinch twist on the top of his head. This is so it can make the ears of Pikachu. Twist it together to secure it. And feel free to cut off the extra balloon ends of the ears, just so it looks a little bit neater. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker. And on the ears, we're going to draw these upside down semicircles that are like slightly slanted. Or you can just look at a picture of Pikachu for reference. And we color that in. And do the same thing on the other ear. Now we're going to draw the eyes, so we're going to draw a big circle and we're going to leave a little circle in the middle. Color the big circle but leave out the little circle in the middle because that's going to be where the highlight is. Do the same for the other eye. And we're going to do a little dot for the nose and a big sideways 3 for the mouth. Now we're going to use a red marker. And we're going to do 2 little red circles for the cheeks. And lastly, we're going to use a white marker and just highlight Pikachu's eyes. Isn't it easy? And your Balloon Pikachu is complete.
Well, I love Balloon Pikachu. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.